Hello there, good morning. Welcome to News Center. I am Ashley Mazuri. Let's get started. Leaders from Western Kenya have warned against the emergence of competing factions within the Kenya Kwanza administration should the ongoing bickering continue. The leaders say the situation has been exacerbated by the Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua's war of words with a section of leaders from Kenya Kwanza and called for his resignation, terming him as ungrateful to President William Ruto. This as Kapseret Member of Parliament Oscar Sudi and Kakamega County Deputy Governor Ayub Savula call out the DP, accusing him of fashioning himself as the political kingpin of Mount Kenya region. Alan Ochanda reports.
It is an open secret that troubles engulfing the Kenya Kwanza administration continue threatening to rock the once solid political outfit, with some leaders openly calling out Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, accusing him of being the genesis of the turmoil. Webuye West MP Martin Wanyonyi now daring the second in command to resign if he feels shortchanged instead of brewing discord.
Sisi tumeomba ya kwamba Mheshimiwa Rigiji apevwe kwa mtu mwingine akwe Deputy President William Samuel Ruto, na kama atapevwe, katiba yetu iko clear within the constitution on how parliament can force Mheshimiwa or the Deputy President to step aside, to resign and pave way for somebody else to help William Ruto build the Republic of Kenya, unite Kenya and move this country forward.
I want to ask you, my boss, our Deputy President, is that how you want to pay William Samuel Ruto? That you have begun to speak the language of the opposition?
Rigathi's recent utterances, and especially on Sunday during the Akurino celebrations in Nakuru, where he laid bare how he encountered frustrations while seeking transport to attend to official duties, painted a man no longer in comfort and a political marriage punctuated with mistreatment. Out of fear of a reincarnation of the Tanga and Kieleweke groupings in the former ruling party Jubilee, leaders have warned that should the bickering not be forestalled, then a state deja vu which is counterproductive will be witnessed.
Sisi kama wanasiasa tusikawanye serikali yetu kwa vipande viwili ili waseme waruke ni ya huyu, sinali sijui ni ya huyu. Hapana, tunataka serikali hii ni moja. Rais William Ruto na Gachagua wafanye kazi kwa pamoja kama viongozi wetu wa nchi hii, bila kuleta uchochezi na kusema hii na hii. Hapana, hataki watu ya nyunyunyu katika serikali. Hiyo ndiyo ilifanya hata mimi nikafungwa, kwa vile nilitake side ya upande mwingine.
Gachagua, in his heightened political activities in the mountain, has held on the contentious one man, one vote, one shilling revenue sharing formula that has put him at loggerheads with other elected leaders who claim he is out to use the debate to galvanize the region and eventually use it politically.
As leaders, we must emulate the President of the Republic of Kenya over the advice he's giving us as young generation leaders. Me, I don't understand at all. Kingpin of Luya land, Kingpin of Kikuyu land, Kingpin of Luo land. I understand one thing: we are Kenyans. And if you hear of leaders talking about me, I'm from which tribe, I'm a Kingpin of where, avoid such leaders.
Shida viongozi wengi ni waongo. Mambo wanaongea mchana na mambo wanaongea usiku ni mambo tofauti. Na hiyo tunataka tuseme, wakati ya ugawanya watu ilipita na wakati. Hii ni wakati ya kuunganisha watu wote. Unajua, mimi nasikia watu wengine wanasema ati wanatafuta kitu inaitwa Kingpin. Hii kitu inaitwa Kingpin, hii hawa watu wanakibishana nini? Kingpin itajilete peke yake. Ikifika wakati wananchi watajua ni nani anafaa kupewa uongozi.
Rigathi has, however, remained adamant and defiant despite the onslaught, and the impending UDA party's elections appear to be its major acid test as to whether the center will hold. Alan Ochanda, KTN News.
Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua's transport has been a hot topic lately, with the use of private helicopters viewed as downgrading the dignity of his office. Twice now, Gachagua has used private helicopters to join his boss, President William Ruto, in a